Today I'm going to be replacing the old micro switches with the new clickier micro switches. Let's give it a sound comparison to the original to the newer clicky ones. This one isn't too clicky, but this one clicks a bit louder. So what we need to do is remove the original micro switches, one of them, and replace them with the new one. I'm going to use my soldering iron to remove the points, the 2 points right here to slide the new micro switch points through. I don't know if you could see it through camera, but I removed the excess solder on this point right here where my finger is. So now to remove the other point with the solder to remove. I think I got the solder both off of there. I'm gonna get a set of tweezers to hold the old micro switch while I desolder it off. Almost. Oh, there we go. We got it off. As you can see, I removed the old micro switch off permanently, and now I'm gonna replace it with a newer clicky micro switch. I'm just gonna lift the two tabs right here like that. See? And now I'm gonna put it into there. There, I soldered in the new micro switch. I put fresh new solder on the 2 points right there. And now I'm just going to clip off the excess pins right there with my flush cutters. There, I got them off. This is the old micro switch, which is not so clicky, and here's the new one that is clicky. So now I'm going to test it with the game to see if it works. Okay, now I'm testing the micro switches. This is the L that is clicky. This is the R that's not clicky. The L button's working fine. Very good, I should really say. Clicky L, not so clicky R. Clicky L, not so clicky R. I'll do the micro switch for the R button now. Give me a second. Okay, so I got the solder out of these two holes where the new micro switch will sit on. Like, this. Just give me a second. There, see what I mean by that? I'm gonna put solder on now. So I replaced both micro switches L and R to the newer clicky ones. L is clicky, right is clicky. Again, L is clicky, right is clicky. So I'm gonna reassemble it just to test it now. Okay, I reassembled this Game Boy Advance and I soldered the R the micro switch, the clickier micro switch for the R button. The L button I did also. So now the L and R micro switches are now clicky. You can hear they're clicky. Let me turn on the volume so you can hear. The L and R new micro switches are clickier than the older ones now. So, goodbye.